If you are an Etsy seller who has been selling on the Etsy platform for more than a year, you know that sales can sometimes fluctuate and go through slow periods, especially in the summer. So if you are feeling discouraged and unsure about how to revive your sales, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and strategies to help you identify the possible reasons for the decrease in sales. And I'm also going to be providing you actionable steps to help you turn things around. So make sure to watch all the way to the end. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Nancy Badillo, and if you're looking to learn how to grow your Etsy business to a full-time income, consider subscribing to the channel. So one of the primary reasons for a significant decrease in sales for majority of Etsy sellers is the fact that the product that they're selling is either no longer trending or has too much competition. So it's really important to analyze if your best-selling product, let's say from 2019, has been replicated by a large number of sellers, making it a lot difficult and harder to stand out from the competition. It's also important to keep in mind the products that were popular in the past may not have the same demand this year. So if you find yourself experiencing this particular problem, one strategy to address the issue is to conduct throughout market research on the products that you're currently selling. So what does that mean? This means examining the competition to determine whether there are too many sellers offering similar products and identifying potential gaps in the market that you could fill with your products. And you could do this by simply doing an Etsy search on the search bar and seeing how many other sellers are selling similar products like yourself. This will quickly tell you if you have a lot of competition or no competition. Another strategy is looking at your SEO and reviewing your tags. What is the monthly search volume? What is the competition? And looking at those metrics to make an informed decision if you need to update your SEO with new tags. Now, if you find yourself that you need to update your SEO because the majority of your tags are super competitive, then what I recommend doing is updating the SEO, but make sure to duplicate the listing, fix the SEO, and publish as a new listing, because new listings do get a temporary boost from Etsy and they get pushed out to more people. And this is actually going to help you fix the ranking of the previous listing, because now you have a new listing, and because you updated it, it's going to actually help you rank higher in the search feed. Another factor that can contribute to a drop in sales for your Etsy business is seasonal changes, especially during the summer months. As customers tend to have other priorities, take vacations, or enjoy the warm weather, sales may suffer. However, there are strategies that can help you to combat this issue. One approach is to run ads on platforms like Etsy or Facebook to reach new potential customers. Another strategy is to focus on customer retention by running remarketing campaigns to target customers who have already made a purchase from you. This type of approach can be more effective since it's easier to convince someone who already knows and enjoys your products to make another purchase than to convert someone who has never heard of your brand before. Additionally, you could also offer special promotions or discounts to incentivize repeat purchases from existing customers. By focusing on both customer retention and attracting new customers through ads, you can mitigate the impact of seasonal changes on your Etsy business. Another contributing factor that affects many Etsy sales is poor customer service. If you're not providing amazing customer service, you are going to be losing out on repeat business as well as referrals. It's essential that you respond promptly to customers' inquiries and complaints, that you go above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction. And from my own personal experience, I'm going to share with you guys some effective strategies that help me enhance customer service. And that includes addressing customers by their first name, making sure that I make an extra effort to resolve any issues, and maintaining a professional and demeanor attitude, and requesting feedback from the customers on how to improve customer service as well as my business in general. Once you have built rapport with the customer, it is going to be a lot easier to ask them for feedback about your brand and the experience that they receive from you. And this is not feedback like review. This is me essentially messaging them via Etsy messages. And 8 out of 10 people do reply back to me and provide me a lot of valuable insight that has helped me grow as an Etsy seller and also helped me shape my shop for what it is today. Now, one thing that you have to keep in mind is that your product is not your business. It's a small part of it. The brand experience that the customer gets is your business. The sooner you realize this, the more you will perfect your customer service and improve on it daily, and the more sales that you will get. Another reason why sales may decrease on Etsy is due to a lack of product variety. If you are only offering 1 or 2 types of products, you may be limiting your potential customer base. It's important to consider expanding your product line to attract a wider range of customers. This not only helps to increase your sales, but also allows you to upsell and cross-sell to existing customers. So for example, if you sell jewelry, make sure to have a complete collection that customers can buy. Many people like to buy matching earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. So having a robust line of products can increase the likelihood of customers making multiple purchases. Additionally, offering variations of your products, such as different colors, materials, or style, can also help attract new customers and keep your existing ones interested in your shop. Now, in order to add a robust line of products, there's several things that you could do. You could research trends in your industry and see what complementary products you could offer. You could also conduct surveys or polls on social media or through email to gather feedback from your customers on what they would like to see from your shop. Now, this is going to help you make an informed decision on what type of products you need to add to your line. By diversifying your product offerings, you not only increase your chances of making sales, but you also provide a better experience for your customers. They are more likely to return to your shop if they can find a wider range of products that fits their needs and preference. So by following these tips effectively, you can significantly increase traffic and sales to your Etsy shop. Don't hesitate to ask any questions that you may have about your shop and drop them below, and I will do my best to provide you with tailored strategies that can help you improve your shop's performance. Thanks for watching.